Hi, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver and today we're going to have another trading session with binary options on QUOTEX. If you're unfamiliar, don't forget to check out other videos, the description to this video, and in every description you can find a link to a platform where I trade called QUOTEX, as well as the Telegram group where you can find a lot of useful information about trading in general and specifically with binary options. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go with the video of today. Today's video is gonna start with $10, and right here I'm gonna go for already for a put option. As you can see, our moving average there has been crossed down by the candles, by the market, and that's an indication for us to go ahead and place a put option, as well as the RSI, the relative strength indicator, indicates also of the price droppage. So let's see the results of this. Here is our first profit, $18.90, and we're gonna go ahead and hurry up for the next option, as we're going to use the entirety of our balance at this point, $18, because that's how the compound percentage works. I'm going to go ahead to this currency over here for $18, and wow, we see actually a signal to go into long, because what we see here is the price has been going down, so a bear trend is probably changing now because it has touched the level of support, the support levels, and it's gonna go and bounce off it to go up most likely. And we're gonna go ahead for this call option, and let's wait for the result. Here is the second profit of today. It's $35, $34.20 was it, and 35 in total on our balance, which means we can use for the next option $35, and this is what we're gonna do. Right, so we're looking at the SMA acting as a support level, which right now we're breaking through with the market, with the price. So we're gonna go ahead for the put option, and let's see the results. And here is the profit, $66.50. It's not huge yet, but we're gonna keep going at it, and let's see a next option, and we're gonna use $66 as we have that on our balance. And the next actually see how it actually bounced off this SMA. We're gonna go ahead to this currency and let's have a look. Ooh, this we see a strong bear trend going down, and the price goes down. The pattern repeats itself at this point, so it broke through in the end that support level. I'm gonna go ahead for a put option still here and see, because it's pretty strong what's happening, and I think it's entering into the oversold area of the market, so it's just entering there. So we're gonna have a look and see the result. Here is our first pretty big profit, considering we started with $10. It's $120, and let's go ahead and use that 126 we have on our balance in total. I see it can still actually bounce off the support levels, the next support levels. There's a few there, so yeah, maybe that's what it is. but no, actually, look, it's going down again. Okay, $126, the different option on this. That looks quite a nice bullish trend there. It's entering the overbought area. Oh, look at that! It's bouncing off it. Let's have actually a put option here, because it looks like it's bouncing off the resistance level there. And we're gonna go ahead and do that. Let's see the result of this. Here is our profit. See how increasing this is, the balance every time. Right, $239 already. And we're gonna use the entirety of that balance for the next option, for it to grow substantially, to grow exponentially even. So we're gonna use the entirety of that balance, and $239 for the next option. Yeah, that looks like it's actually going into a flat. That means it will go up in the end. So let's see. Oh, there's a nice bearish trend there. And what we're gonna do is I think we're about to see a change of the direction here. It's gonna hit this, so we'll go for a call option, because it's gonna hit this the support level in form of, the oversold area at the bottom. The minimums are acting as the support levels at this point, and it's likely to bounce off it, because it looks like it cannot break it yet. Otherwise it would go ahead and break it with a long maybe candle. So let's see the results. Here is $454 of profit already. So let's go ahead and place that in there, 454 for our next option. And we're gonna go ahead and choose a different currency. Why I change the currencies every time is because you choose a few and then you just trade on them, because you can see different opportunities there and they change, and you're not tied to just this one. Sometimes it's nice to keep only on one, but for the sake of making it a bit more dynamic and not just waiting around for stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this call option here while I have the moment. So it's keeping at the support level there, and look, it just broke it through, but I was expecting it to bounce off again. So, and I still am. We have 1 minute. So yeah, as I was saying, to make it a bit more dynamic and not just waiting around for a good opportunity, I just keep changing it, and usually there's the picture changes and there's more opportunities to go in with the option, instead of just sitting around and waiting for the right moment, just for the sake of that. But usually if you trade on your own, maybe it's worth keeping an eye on one market and just see the dynamics of that one market, and then maybe that's a good idea. $862 of profit, and we're gonna go ahead and make our next option for $863. Let's see if we choose. Oh, see, yeah, it did exactly what it went lower than this support level a little bit, so it made a new support level there, but close enough. If you look at it on a different time frame. Okay, so this looks pretty good as a strong bear trend, which Yeah, let's keep at it. It's a pretty strong indication for the put option at this point. It's just a clear one of them train situations. So let's just go ahead and place a put option here. And you see how strong this trend is. So let's go ahead and place to go in with that trend, that bear trend. A put option for $863. We should get 1,639. So let's see if we get it. So the next option is going to be for 1,000. And congratulations if you've been following me and making a similar result, $1,639 already. So let's go ahead and go to this one here. You see these gaps. It's a I'm gonna go ahead for the put option at this point. Yeah, I'm gonna go because there's a bearish trend, and for now I think, yeah, it had broken the support level, which is SMA, is acting as a support level, and it went up and it broke down. So at this point it's a bearish trend. Will it go for a pullback or similar? We'll see in a sec. I mean, we should have enough time for us to use the situation to our advantage. And here it is, 89% payout of $1,000 option, and the results are just amazing. As you can see, we have $2,529 of profit in this session already. And we're gonna go ahead and make one option for $2,000 instead of one. The one is a maximum, so we're gonna go ahead and make a multiple at two options to make a $2,000 option, basically. If you're not familiar with this platform. So and what we're gonna do, right, we see a nice bear trend here, and I think we're gonna go ahead and work with it. So a put option for 2,000, we should be good for 1 minute time. It should be enough. The trend is pretty strong, so it should be pretty good. So let's work for the result. Ooh, here is our profit. Guys, we're gonna stop here. If you like the content, please subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you all next time. Good luck and goodbye.